Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. And this is a project we've been working on for about 4 months. This is for Howard Hughes. We're gonna go to one of the new condo towers in town. Our idea was to have a very sculptural bench and something that was heavy, it's not gonna walk off anytime, and that will stand up to the elements, good durability. So Monkey Pod is a natural choice. And we started with the chainsaw with a 16-inch bar, carving it out, then to the grinders, then to the sanders. And one of the things I found that was very helpful is having all that time to work on it. It's the sort of thing, it's helpful to work for an hour, maybe 2, and then step back, work on other things, so that your eyes can look at it freshly the next day. Because once you start going in one direction, it can be really hard to change it. It's like piloting a cargo ship. There is one thing we are still going to change with this, and I find this a lot with Monkey Pod, is that the sapwood tends to be very yellow. And the client wasn't crazy about that, so I'm going to use a wood bleach and bleach it so it has more of a cream color and just not so dark. But there she is.